Woodworking has progressed, and the tools that support it have become more advanced and accurate than ever before. In today's video, we're featuring 20 amazing woodworking tools that truly stand above the rest. These high-tech innovations and smart designs will transform how you tackle your projects, whether you're an experienced craftsman or just getting started. Get ready to upgrade your workspace and discover how these tools can take your skills to the next level. Let's dive right in. Clean, accurate plunge cuts and sheet goods often demand careful setup, but the Festool TSC55 KSEB Basic Cordless Plunge Saw simplifies the process without sacrificing precision. Running on 18-volt system, this 55mm plunge saw delivers consistent cutting power, making it ideal on on-site breakdowns, cabinetry, or kitchen installations where cords get in the way. Its plunge mechanism and guide rail compatibility eliminate alignment issues common with standard circular saws, producing clean, splinter-free cuts every time. The real advantage comes from its brushless motor, which maintains strong performance under load while improving efficiency. Ergonomic handling helps reduce fatigue during long cut-in sessions, and variable speed control allows you to match blade speed to different materials. Integrated dust extraction keeps the cut line visible and the workspace cleaner. Contractors value its reliability and accuracy on plywood, laminates, and panels, making it a natural transition tool. Routing exposed edges can be risky when tools feel unstable, but the Festool MFKC700 EB Basic Cordless Module Edge Router is designed to deliver control and accuracy. Powered by 18-volt batteries, this 700-watt cordless router handles flush trimming and edge profiling without the drag of a cord. Its larger base provides better stability, reducing the risk of tipping or damaging delicate edges. Fine adjustment is incredibly precise, allowing changes down to 1/10 of a millimeter for consistent depth control. A balanced handle improves guidance, especially on vertical or narrow surfaces. One of its standout features is the wide router table paired with integrated dust extraction, which keeps sticky shavings under control during use. A quick spindle stop makes bit changes fast and easy, while compatible cutters like S8HW handle angled edges smoothly, making it a perfect follow-up cut after plunge saw cuts. After routing or fitting parts, flattening surfaces often requires heavy sanding, but the Festool HLC82 EB Basic Cordless Planer delivers smooth results far more efficiently. This 82mm planer uses a brushless EC Tech motor to provide consistent power while planing depths up to 2.5mm, making it ideal for doors, beams, and panels. Its spiral blade system runs at an incline, producing cleaner cuts with less tear-out compared to straight blades. The pulling cut design improves control and accuracy, while also reducing noise during operation. One standout feature is its ability to cut rivets up to 25mm deep, along with 3 integrated V-grooves for clean chamfers. A removable adapter helps stabilize long chamfer cuts, improving consistency. Multiple extraction options allow it to fit different dust setups. Woodworking professionals value how much time it saves by reducing resanding, allowing projects to move smoothly. Harbor Freight. And now, let's see some power tools from Harbor Freight. Cutting smooth curves in plywood or laminates often feels unstable with larger jigsaws, but the Kreg 20-volt ionic drive barrel grip jigsaw is built for precision and control. The barrel grip design places your hand closer to the blade, giving better feedback and stability through tight curves and detailed cuts. Auto mode technology starts slowly and ramps up speed automatically, helping reduce tear-out during material entry. Variable speed control, 4 orbital settings, and tool-free bevel adjustments up to 45 degrees allow easy tuning for different materials. Dual LED lights, a dust blower, and a vacuum port keep the cut line clear and visible at all times. Blade changes are quick using the lever-style release. The real advantage comes from the ionic drive electronics, which optimize power delivery and runtime compared to typical jigsaws. That directly addresses overheating and short-run issues that interrupt detailed cutting tasks. The result is smooth, consistent finishes without cords. Now we're cranking up the power with Makita's heavy-duty outdoor tools. The Worx YX822L finger sander is a game-changer for precision sanding in tight spaces. Its unique attachment gets into corners and small areas, making it ideal for detailed woodworking projects. Without the hassle of a cord, you have full freedom to twist and turn as needed, ensuring no spot is out of reach. Powered by the Power Share system, the same battery runs over 75 tools, offering flexibility and convenience. Plus, the built-in dust collector keeps your workspace clean, making it easier to focus on a flawless finish. With 12,000 orbits per minute in a compact, lightweight design at just 1.8 pounds, this sander offers incredible control without sacrificing power. It's small, but it packs a punch for any detail project. When precision matters most, the LEXIVON aluminum miter saw protractor is the tool you need. Crafted from CNC-machined anodized aluminum alloy steel, this protractor ensures accurate measurements for flawless cuts every time. Its internal Teflon O-ring mechanism allows for smooth and precise reading of inside and outside corners, taking the guesswork out of your cuts. Stronger than plastic alternatives, its quarter-inch thick aluminum body guarantees durability, making it ideal for crown molding, trim work, and carpentry. When it comes to heavy-duty support, the BORA Workhorse folding sawhorses are in a league of their own. With a 1,350-pound capacity per sawhorse, 2,700 pounds combined, they can handle even the toughest tasks. Setup is fast and hassle-free thanks to a single release latch and gravity-assisted deployment, making them 10 times quicker than standard sawhorses. The durable steel leg latches create a sturdy A-frame without needing to secure each leg manually. These sawhorses aren't just strong, they're versatile too. Pre-drilled 2x4 brackets let you connect multiple units to build a solid portable workbench. And when you're done, the legs fold neatly inside for easy storage and transport. Whether you're tackling big projects or need a reliable on-the-go solution, the BORA Workhorse delivers unmatched strength, speed, and convenience. It's a must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. Cutting perfect dovetail joints just got a whole lot easier with this dovetail marker. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to take your precision and efficiency to the next level. It offers 4 slope options, so you can tackle both softwood and hardwood projects with ease. Built from a solid billet of aluminum with a sleek black and red anodized finish, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable. And with double-sided imperial annotations, marking out timber becomes second nature. Plus, its extra-large ergonomic design ensures your cuts are as precise as possible. This dovetail marker is a must-have addition to any woodworking toolbox, combining versatility, durability, and ease of use all in one compact package. Achieving a flawless finish is essential in woodworking, and the BOSCH ROS 10 palm sander makes it look effortless. With an integral pad dampening braking system, it prevents those dreaded swirl marks that can ruin a project. Its 2.5 amp motor delivers a powerful 12,000 OPM, and the random orbit action ensures a perfectly blended, ultra-smooth finish. The combination of pad orbit and rotation allows for rapid material removal, saving you time without sacrificing quality. The hook and loop disc attachment ensures the disc stays secure, while the microcellular backing pad guarantees smooth, fine finishes. A must-have for a professional touch. For anyone serious about woodworking or construction, the Tesmen WM186 portable pen moisture meter is an indispensable tool. Its compact pen-shaped design makes it easy to carry around, perfect for quick checks on the go. With 2 high-precision pins, this meter delivers fast and accurate moisture readings across various wood types like oak, maple, and spruce, all shown clearly on its 3-color screen. The device even offers 2 modes and 7 calibration scales, covering a wide range of moisture levels from 0.0% to 58%. Plus, with features like auto shutoff and a low battery indicator, it's both energy efficient and user-friendly, ensuring you make informed decisions without hassle. When precision is everything, this mini wood planer is a must-have tool for any woodworker. Crafted with a blade made from professional-level 9-chromium tungsten manganese tool steel, this planer boosts cutting efficiency while minimizing wear, ensuring long-lasting sharpness. The adjustable cutting depth makes it versatile for various tasks, from trimming to polishing and deburring. Plus, the body is built from ductile iron with stainless steel parts, making it rugged and durable for heavy-duty use. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, this small hand plane's ease of use and ergonomic design make it indispensable for all your woodworking projects. Carrying large, heavy sheets just got effortless with this incredible panel carrier. If you've ever struggled with moving full 4x8 sheets, this tool is a game changer. It's built to handle up to 100 pounds and can securely hold sheets up to 3/4 of an inch thick, making it perfect for plywood, drywall, and more. The ergonomic design lets you carry these bulky materials one-handed without straining yourself or damaging the panel. Whether you're a carpenter or a DIYer, this Kreg panel carrier will quickly become a go-to in your workshop. It combines strength, convenience, and premium Kreg quality to make woodworking smoother and more efficient. Achieve perfect alignment with the Motovera 100-foot green crossline laser level. This compact, lightweight tool projects a 110-degree horizontal and vertical line, making it ideal for precision woodworking or home improvement. With 4 adjustable brightness levels, the green beam is 4 times more visible than red lasers, ensuring accurate measurements even in outdoor conditions. The self-leveling feature ensures flawless alignment within 4 degrees, while the manual mode offers more control for angled projects. Plus, the magnetic bracket allows easy setup on any surface. This laser level is dust and water resistant, built for durability, and designed to handle any environment. Next, we have the Woodpeckers DF500 offset base system. This tool is designed for use with the Festool domino joiner. It allows for accurate placement of mortises near edges or corners where the standard base can't reach. The system includes 3 bases with different offsets: 5mm, 10mm, and 20mm. These options give woodworkers more flexibility in joint placement. The bases are made from durable materials to withstand workshop conditions. Now, what kind of benefits can you expect from this tool? By using this system, you can expand the capabilities of your domino joiner, which enables you to create joints in previously challenging locations. This tool is especially valuable for furniture makers working on complex designs. It's a solution that opens up new possibilities in joinery. Precision matters, and this digital caliper ensures you get it right every time. With an impressive resolution of 0.0005 inches and an accuracy of 0.001 inches, it's perfect for detailed tasks like reloading, jewelry making, and DIY projects. Made from polished stainless steel, it offers smooth, reliable operation for effortless measurements. Whether you're working in inches, millimeters, or fractions, this 6-inch digital caliper adapts to your needs, providing accuracy and ease of use in one sleek tool. It's a must-have for any serious woodworker or hobbyist. First up is the Ox Large Door Clamp. This tool addresses the hassle of holding doors steady during installation or repair. It fits doors up to 2 inches thick and 48 inches wide. The clamp's rubber pads protect the door's surface from scratches. Its quick release mechanism allows for easy adjustments. Woodworkers will find this clamp particularly useful for hanging doors alone, as it eliminates the need for an extra pair of hands. The strong construction ensures stability throughout the installation process. By using this clamp, you can achieve more precise alignments and reduce the time spent on door hanging tasks. Remember, a well-hung door is the foundation of a polished finish in any room. Let's talk about the Rotary Burrs. These burrs are built for shaping and smoothing wood surfaces. They're made with tungsten carbide teeth, which provide durability and efficient material removal. The burrs come in various shapes and sizes to suit different tasks. They can be used with angle grinders, die grinders, or flexible shaft machines. Kutzall burrs are particularly effective for sculpting, carving, and smoothing irregular surfaces. They work well on both hardwood and softwood. These tools can save time compared to traditional hand carving methods. Woodworkers engaged in artistic or custom projects will find these burrs especially valuable. They offer a way to achieve detailed shaping with power tool efficiency. The Milescraft MC-Square300 is a multi-purpose measuring tool. It combines a square, level, and protractor in one device. The tool features both imperial and metric measurements. Its aluminum construction ensures durability without adding excessive weight. The MC-Square300 can measure angles from 0 to 180 degrees, which makes it useful for various woodworking tasks. The built-in level helps ensure accuracy in your measurements. To be more specific, this tool is particularly helpful for beginners who want to simplify their toolkit. By combining multiple functions, it reduces the number of separate tools you need to carry. The MC-Square300 is a time saver that promotes precision in your woodworking projects. Moving on to the one-handed bar clamps. These clamps are designed for single-handed operation so that they can free up your other hand for positioning workpieces. They come in various sizes to suit different project needs. The clamps feature a quick release trigger for easy removal. Their non-marring pads protect your workpiece from damage during clamping. The I-beam construction provides strength without excessive weight. These clamps are especially useful for assembly tasks where you need to hold multiple pieces together. They can apply up to 300 pounds of force. No doubt it ensures a tight grip. Overall, bar clamps offer a balance of convenience and effectiveness for woodworkers of all skill levels. The wood reciprocating blade is designed for fast, clean cuts in wood. It features a unique tooth geometry that reduces binding and improves cutting speed. The blade's carbide teeth stay sharp longer than standard blades. The good thing is, it's compatible with most reciprocating saws on the market. This blade excels at demolition work and rough carpentry tasks. It can cut through nails embedded in wood without causing significant damage to the teeth. The amped blade's performance can reduce stress during long cutting sessions. The reciprocating blade is particularly useful for remodelers and construction workers who frequently cut wood with their reciprocating saws. Now let's look at the Duplex rebate plane. This hand tool is perfect for cutting rebates in wood. It features two blade positions so that both left-handed and right-handed users can use it. The plane's body is made of ductile cast iron for durability. It includes a fence for guiding straight cuts and a depth stop for consistent rebate depths. This tool comes in handy for traditional woodworkers and those working on period furniture reproductions. The Duplex rebate plane offers precise control that power tools can't always match, so it's suitable for fine adjustments to achieve the perfect fit in your joinery work. It's a tool that combines versatility with the satisfaction of handcrafted results. The folding pull saw is a portable cutting tool for woodworkers. Its blade folds into the handle for safe storage and transport. The saw features aggressive teeth designed for efficient cutting on the pull stroke. It has a comfortable grip to reduce hand fatigue during use. This saw is mostly suitable for making flush cuts or working in tight spaces. The folding design makes it easy to carry in a tool belt or pocket. It can handle both softwoods and hardwoods effectively. The folding pull saw is a good choice for carpenters who need a versatile cutting tool on job sites. It offers the precision of a handsaw with added convenience and safety features. Lastly, we have the Log Wizard Debarker. This tool attaches to a chainsaw to remove bark from logs. It features carbide teeth that efficiently strip bark without damaging the wood underneath. The Log Wizard can also be used for texturing and sculpting wood surfaces. It's particularly important for log home builders and rustic furniture makers. This tool can significantly speed up the debarking process compared to manual methods. It works on both softwoods and hardwoods. The Log Wizard allows woodworkers to prepare raw logs for further processing or use in natural-looking projects. It's a specialized tool that fills a specific niche in wood preparation tasks. These woodworking tools highlight the smart innovations available to today's craftsmen. From accurate measuring solutions to effective cutting and shaping equipment, each tool solves key challenges in woodworking. By adding these tools to your workflow, you can boost your efficiency, precision, and the overall finish of your projects. Always remember, the right tool can have a huge impact on your woodworking journey. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.